Nakikita ko talagang grabe ko, talaga parang yung Manny Pacquiao na nakikita ko noon, parang nagbalik. Nakikita ko sa kanya ngayon, talagang matagal ko na yung nakita. I think for the last 3 years, talagang pinupush niya ang sarili niya. Hindi mo na siya dapat sabihan na kailangan niyang gawin. Siya mismo ang gumagawa or dinagdagan pa yung mga ensayo niya.
It's 6 a.m. in the morning in General Santos City, home of 8th Division Filipino world champion Manny Pacquiao. The boxer and his entourage rises with the sun and meets it with a run. Some days it's on a track. Other days it's on the highway, an uphill dash in the unforgiving heat. Afterwards, some conditioning. Then it's back to the wildcard gym for a full workout. Drills, jump rope, speedball, footwork. On some days, some sparring. Then his recreational basketball at night. He does it all over again the next day, all in preparation for his November 24 showdown against American boxer Brandon Rios. His camp is more than happy.
He's 100%. He's in very good shape, and we're going to get even better and better as the week goes on here in General Santos. And then, for the last 5 days, we'll go to Macau.
He's so fast. He's hard to catch, he's fast.
These days, it's all work for Pacquiao's camp. They studied the opponent and they have a game plan.
Ang more na pinupukusan namin ngayon yung depensa. Yung depensa at saka yung atake natin na gagawin. Kasi sometimes sa sobrang excited mo, nakakalimutan mo na dumepensa. Na hindi mo ini-expect na tatamaan ka pala pag sumuntok ng kalaban na to. More focus tayo sa depensa at saka sa footwork. Kasi kailangan natin yung paa. Kasi pag wala tayong paa, hindi natin kasi alam kung ano ilalabas ni Rio sa laban eh. So yun lagi yung pinaghahandaan namin na kung sakaling atake ito, sasabay tayo pero hindi matagalan, kailangan natin gumalaw kaagad. Kung sakaling mang tumakbo si Brandon Rios, iba yung game plan niya. Siyempre, meron din tayong game plan na gagawin na style na itong Brandon Rios hindi makatakbo.
Team Pacquiao 2 is a lot more serious. There's less fooling around. Pacquiao's newfound Christian faith has turned the boys into men.
Malaking pagbabago. Yung pagsunod sa kautusan ng Panginoon. Reading the Bible, knowing our manual, which is the Bible, that's our manual to life.
It's a transformation panned by critics, but one that the formerly womanizing and gambling Pacquiao has embraced. Bible verses plaster the walls of his gym and his home. His camp thinks the change is for the better.
Mas more pa na naging happy ako sa nangyari ngayon kaysa noon. Kasi noon, sabihin natin, yung pag-inom, nandyan yan. Pero ngayon, kahit na isang bagay na nakikita mo sa kanya noon, never mo na makikita ngayon. Tsaka yung ugali niya, wala na yung pagmumura sa taas ng ring, wala na yung pagbibiro na nakakasakit sa mga kapwa, sa mga kaibigan. Kumbaga, more pa na seryoso at saka more pa na yung team nagkaroon ng unity na kumbaga ayaw makapagbitaw ng salita na nakakasakit sa mga nakakarinig.
But the most palpable change in his camp, the sense of urgency. Coming off 2 consecutive losses, the threat of oblivion hangs over them. Team Pacquiao wants to win and wants it bad.
Well, I don't like this person we're fighting pretty much, so it's a little personal. He was very distasteful, making fun of my Parkinson's on national TV. And Manny said to me, "Is that the guy who made fun of you?" I said, "Yes, Manny." And he just looked at me, and I knew he knows exactly what I want, but I can't wait for this fight. I particularly don't like our opponent too much, and Manny will be doing me a big favor by knocking this guy out.
Napaka-importante itong fight na ito dahil matagal tayong hindi lumaban, almost 1 year, this coming December. So, na-miss ng mga tao yung Manny Pacquiao. Tapos second is kailangan kong i-prove na kaya ko pang lumaban. Kikita mo yung iba, especially lalo ngayon natalo lahat yung mga Pilipino natin, di ba? Yung bibigay ng karangalan. So parang kailangan ako makapagbigay ng karangalan sa bansa natin.
Got your USB?